Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll discuss about one of the core subject of mechanical engineering, that is automobile engineering. So we'll see the introduction of automobile engineering. So first we'll see what is automobile engineering. So automobile engineering is the sub branch of mechanical engineering and also known as automotive engineering or vehicle engineering. The automobile engineering course provide knowledge of maintenance of automobiles, right for right from designing the vehicle to manufacturing components, also assembling them, testing them for safety, repairing, and maintaining. It also enables the engineers to explore new areas and create new avenues in the field of R&D and develop their talent in new technologies. So it is having a brief vast history. So we'll discuss one by one. The first automobile provided by IC engine was invented and designed in Germany during the 1880s. And the second is Henry Ford founded the Ford Motor Company and he started an era of US leadership in auto production. And Ford introduced the highly Model T, which by 1930 was being manufactured through assembly line techniques. And for this, by 1920, Motors has become the world's largest auto manufacturer. And in 1897, first car ran on Indian roads, and Hindustan Motor was launched in 1942. Mahindra and Mahindra was established by two brothers in 1945. So now we'll see the classification of automobile. It is having one is like on the basis of load. Different automobile or vehicle can be classified on different basis as given below. Like one on the basis of load, uh, heavy load, or in heavy load, or like truck, buses, extra, etc. These things are came, and light transport vehicle, pickup, wagon, etc. Light motor vehicles like car and jeep, etc. On the basis of wheel, two-wheeler vehicle, for example, scooter, motorcycle, scooter, etc. Three-wheelers vehicle, for example, auto rickshaw, three-wheeler scooter, and also tempo, etc. Four-wheeler vehicle, for example, car, jeep, trucks, buses, etc. Six-wheeler vehicles, for example, big trucks with two gear axles, each having four wheels. On the basis of transmission, and also on the basis of fuel used, like petrol vehicle, diesel vehicle, electric vehicle, steam vehicle, gas vehicle, and on the basis of body, that hatchback, sedan, hatchback, roadster, fastback, XUV, crossover, compact sedan, pickup, lorry, ATV. Now we'll see the components of automobile. So first component is clutch. It is a mechanical device which engage and disengage power transmission, especially from driving shaft to driven shaft, or provide interrupted power. Clutch are used whenever the ability to limit transmission of power and motion needs to control either in amount of overtime. During disengagement of transmission, gear can be changed to alter the torque on the wheel. We'll see also the principle of operation of clutch. The principle is based on friction. When two surfaces are brought in contact with each other and pressed, they are united due to friction between them. The driving members of clutch is flywheel mounted on crankshaft. The driven members is uh, pressure plate mounted on transmission shaft. It now one is revolved, the other will also revolve. So friction material like millboard type friction material, molded type friction material, oven type friction material. We'll also see one of the component in automobile, that is gear. A gear or a cowwheel is a rotating machine part having cut like teeth or cog which mesh with another tooth part to transmit torque. Gearbox. So the mechanism they transmit engine power to the rear wheel or to the front wheel is also known as transmission system. Gearbox consists of various gear of different gear ratio. A gearbox changes the engine speed into torque when climbing hills and when the vehicle requires. Sometimes it is known as torque converter. And how gear ratio work? So it works in different first we put in neutral, then first gear, fourth gear, second, third gear, and also reverse. So reverse is used for reversing an ideal gear is interposed between gear or on to shaft. Now we'll see the differential. So the differential is a device that splits the engine torque two ways, allowing each output to spin at different speed. Here function of differential is also given. So is first function is to aim the engine power at the wheel and also to act as a final gear reduction in the wheel and also to transmit the power to the wheels while allowing them to rotate at different speed. Differential work is also given. Uh, so now you'll see steering system. So what is the steering system? What it does? So front wheel can be turned to left and right by steering system. The steering wheel is placed in front of the driver. The primary function is to control or provide angular motion to the wheel. Nowadays, many vehicles are equipped with power steering, which uses pressure as a fluid or reduce steering effort. So how steering system works? The steering systems converts the rotation of a steering wheel into a turning moment of road wheels in a such a way that the steering system rim turns to move the wheels. The rack and pinion system, the steering box system, power assist system. Now we'll see braking system. Automatic braking system is a device used to slow or stop moving vehicles, usually achieved by friction. So disc brake on a motorcycle, brake is a mechanical device that inhabits motion by observing energy from a moving system. In modern cars, have brakes on all four wheels operated by a hydraulic system. The brake may be disc type or drum type. Hydraulic brake. So hydraulic brake circuit has filled master and slip cylindrical connected by pipes. When you push the brake, pedal depresses a piston in the master cylinder, forcing fluid along the pipe. The fluid travels to slip cylinder at each wheel and fills them, forcing piston out to apply the brakes. Fluid pressure distributes itself evenly around the system. The combined surface pushing area of all the slip piston is much greater than that of the piston in the master cylinder. And also disc brake, drum brake, anti-lock braking system. These things are used. So thank you so much.